Hi Jamie, sorry, this is just the quickest way to do this. I'm going to quickly show you how to do all the things that you asked of me. So this is the my version of your program. I have got here just a whole bunch of things like this is a photo. Throw that into there, and that's an amazing soundtrack, and I'll put that there. First of all, the fill in right. I'll go to effects here. It might be somewhere else, but basically find effects and then audio effects. This has got fill in right, and you click there. I think it's basically the shift from mono to stereo because it's recorded in mono, but I think you might be able to do that in your audio editing stuff already. Secondly, the video stuff. So this is just a still photo. I'll just try and show you some adjustments first. So somewhere there'll be something called adjustments. It'll look different, but more or less it's the same program. So I'll go into colour. I'll just move this down a little bit so you can see. And there's things like auto colour, which just automatically changes it as long as you've got the actual bit of clip selected down here. Auto light, auto saturation, blah 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 blah. So I quite like that one. And various other things in here. I can just do auto levels, and there's just lots of automatic things that you can just do to it. Hi, finally, this is the final bit of kind of like how to do the panning and zooming, which is really difficult. I'm very frustrated with this afternoon, but I think I've worked it out now. One of the key things that you need to be able to do is adding keyframes. So that's this little square here. It might look a little bit different in your software, but it's more or less the same thing. If you add a keyframe, then we need to go to effects. It might be called applied effects, and you'll have motion and opacity. If you go to motion, this is where you can set things like position, and you can move things left to right, and scale and zoom things in and out and such. One of the first things you need to do though is make sure you click the toggle animation. It might be called something slightly different, but it's basically the idea of a stopwatch. So we then move ahead and add a second keyframe and zoom this in a whole lot and move it up slightly so you can see the head of the deer. I should then be able to render the video and watch it. That. One of the other ways of moving things is if you click on the video bit itself, you'll see this kind of circle with a cross. That means you can move things around from point to point, and that can be a little bit easier. Obviously, the further you zoom in, the lower